Welcome back to Revolution, where the road meets luxury, innovation, and bold engineering. Today, we bring you one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Brabus Big Boy 1200, a Class A luxury motorhome that's redefining what it means to travel first class on wheels. Let's begin with the commanding presence. The Brabus Big Boy 1200 isn't just big in name, this is a titan of the road. Built on a specially modified Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty coach chassis, this 45-foot masterpiece towers with a road presence that blends Brabus aggression with Mercedes elegance. Its aerodynamic body features a black chrome grille, sculpted bodywork, and signature Brabus carbon fiber accents. With adaptive LED matrix headlights and custom 24-inch forged alloy wheels, the exterior screams authority and exclusivity. Under the hood, or should we say, beneath the shell, lies the beating heart, a Brabus-tuned 12.0-liter V12 bi-turbo diesel engine producing a staggering 1,200 horsepower and over 2,500 Newton-meters of torque. That's right, this luxury land yacht can cruise at autobahn speeds with minimal effort. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' active drive assist system, the Big Boy 1200 delivers surprising agility and effortless long-haul comfort. Now step inside, and you're welcomed into a world that rivals 5-star hotel suites. The cabin is a sanctuary of opulence. Hand-stitched Brabus fine leather in diamond-quilted patterns wraps the interior, blending deep mocha tones with brushed aluminum and rose gold trim. The living area offers twin slide-outs that expand the space to an incredible 500 square feet of residential comfort. A suede-lined ceiling with ambient fiber optic starlight illumination sets the mood, while a 65-inch 8K OLED smart TV rises from the entertainment console with the touch of a button. The fully equipped kitchen is a gourmet's dream, featuring Miele appliances, a convection oven, induction cooktop, espresso machine, and a smart refrigerator with voice control. The quartz countertops are backlit, and there's even a temperature-controlled wine cellar beneath the floor hatch. Heading to the master suite, you'll find a king-size Brabus signature mattress with posture-adaptive technology, flanked by heated massage chairs, mood lighting, and dual panoramic skylights. The ensuite bathroom offers spa-like indulgence, with a rainfall steam shower, bidet-equipped smart toilet, and heated marble floors. There's even a separate walk-in wardrobe with automated rotating racks. Tech-wise, the Big Boy 1200 is a fortress of connectivity. You get a full smart home integration system with voice and app control for lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. It supports 5G internet, satellite streaming, and has a retractable drone landing pad for aerial footage or delivery drops. For security, it features 360-degree surveillance, biometric door locks, and thermal night vision. On the driver's side, the cockpit is straight from a sci-fi film. Dual curved OLED displays offer augmented reality navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and smart traffic integration. The steering wheel is a Brabus carbon fiber sport unit with integrated haptic controls, and the heated captain chairs are ergonomically molded with 24-way adjustment and memory settings. Powering all these features is a hybrid energy system combining roof-mounted solar panels, a 25 kWh lithium-ion battery bank, and an integrated diesel generator. This setup enables full off-grid operation for up to 7 days. The onboard water purification system, gray water recycling, and climate-adaptive insulation make it ideal for any terrain, from alpine peaks to desert trails. And let's not forget the exterior amenities. The Big Boy 1200 includes a full outdoor kitchen with grill and refrigerator, a retractable 20-foot awning with LED lighting, and a hydraulic motorcycle lift garage at the rear. You even get a deployable sky deck, a rooftop lounge with fire pit, seating for 6, and surround sound audio. In terms of pricing, exclusivity comes at a premium. The 2026 Brabus Big Boy 1200 starts at a jaw-dropping $2.8 million, and each unit is built to order, with bespoke customization options available through Brabus Elite Design Studio. To sum it up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Brabus Big Boy 1200 is more than just a motorhome. It's a palace on wheels. It's where brute power meets refined luxury, and where innovation meets imagination. For those who demand nothing but the best, this is your road-bound mansion. Thanks for watching Revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury vehicles and high-performance machines. Until next time, drive in style.